Okay, I've already blended my kaolin clay and different recipe here. I haven't made this shower scene soap since March of 2014, and just like back then, stay until the very end on the video because I'll have a shower scene there for you. And let's see, let's basically look at that video for what I did because I liked how it turned out. And I'm going to even do the drop swirls in the same exact way, same approximate colors. I don't even have a lot of the micas I had back then. Soaping at about 70 degrees. I'll take my spatula out of that. I've actually even found the 3 spatulas that I used when I made that soap. So these spatulas have really held up. I got them from IKEA. Are they the best in the world? Probably not, but they really served me well. I got them way back when I was on a budget too. So here goes the lye solution. Change my lighting. I'm hoping this formula serves me well for a drop pour. And I think I'm going to use the fragrance as I use it because I don't think I've used this one before either. It's called Clean Type. Really need a very light trace for this one. So let's see, let me pour this one first. It's going to be my white. I put my titanium dioxide in it after I pour the soap. So here's one of the spatulas that I've had since my first soap. Alright, so what should we do first here? I think I'll pour in my fragrance, but I won't blend it until I use the colors. Then I wanted to use a little of the titanium dioxide in the green because I had a really light green that I really liked way back when. Okay, so now let's just blend and see how we do. I think I'm going to, since this needs a little more blending with the frother, start with that one. Okay, then starting with the lighter colors first, blend the white. A light minty green. Turquoise. and the darkest blue. That's actually almost the darkest blue, because I mixed this one with some other darker colors because I wanted a really dark accent. So let's get to pouring. So this is going to be a different kind of drop swirl than my last one, the afternoon tea. A little different in that I didn't pour one big base in this one. I'm just going to do colors right after each other. It's very liquid. And I'm pouring from about a foot above the mold. No particular order, just doing what I feel like I want to do. Although sometimes for contrast I pour the darkest colors near the lightest colors. Okay, so let's use some of these other spatulas that I used in that video a long time ago. I'll tell you a story of when I decided to make videos. I just thought it would be a fun thing, but I definitely said to myself that if you're going to start making these videos, you're in it for the long haul. And I didn't really want to give up right away, just because I knew it was a complicated process, and I knew that I could get better at it if I continued with it. So I think I've grown in how to edit and how to present these videos, how to light it better, have better camera, better lighting, but I had to really work at it. Some people used to say to me, you know, it's kind of dark, so I did what it took to get more light on what I'm doing. It's not the ideal yet, but I grew a lot. I love this turquoise color. And end up on this turquoise because I liked it. Save some till the end so it'll show it off. I like that quite a bit. What to do? I have so many soaps that I've done a soap texture with a spoon, so I think let's leave it like that. Looks like a splash, which is appropriate for a shower scene soap. So I just cleaned up the sides a bit. Clean the mold. I think it also needs the sheen of a little bit of glitter. Just a wee bit. And there is my shower scene soap. First one since 2014. And I'll bring you back for the cut. Okay, let's cut into shower scene. And the colors look pretty close to the original, even though I believe I have different micas than I did back then. I'm so happy with that. I think it's always fun to see what the results of your soap are. Wow. I was really hoping for that really light green. That's really harder than you think to plan it, since these greens tend to change. Wow. It's very distinct. Perfectly round circles, that's weird. But I love it when the colors are so sharp against each other. Wow. So that's really the look of water, which was the original intent of the first design. That's why I really didn't want to change it. So most times I do like to do something different, but this one has been so many years. I really love that dark blue too. I see traces of that really dark blue. So there's that more cobalt looking blue, but just a little bit of that dark blue is adding, I think, to some of that sharp contrast. There's more of that dark blue right in there. That dark blue is really a matter of trial and error, because I mixed it and I thought it wasn't dark enough, so I added a little bit more of black mica. But I didn't really want a black line. I wanted it to be a little bit more cohesive. And this smells awesome too. It smells clean, which is what I want for this soap too. That turquoise is great. And thanks for hanging in there with me, watching the videos, writing to me. Really appreciate the comments. Buying soap on the website, it's always nice too. Hanging out with me on Instagram. Maybe some of you will come out to Kansas City for the conference in May. Love to meet you in person. And I think this is my final cut, so thanks for hanging in there with me, and stay tuned for that shower scene right after I show off the bars of soap. Alright, thanks everybody, and we'll see you later. Bye.